Everyone, this is your host Russell De Silva coming to you live once again on Bollywood Life. And today we have got a very dashing young actor, someone who has captured our imagination in his very first film. बड़ा ढासू काम किया सबसे पहली पिक्चर में, एक्शन किया, मारधाड़ किया, रोमांस किया, अच्छा कॉमेडी स्किल्स दिखाया. मैं अभिमन्यु दसानी की बात कर रहा हूँ. He is going to be joining us very shortly. We are just waiting for him to come live with us. So in a little bit till then आप लोग अपने questions भेजिए हमें. We will try and ask the best questions to Abhimanyu because he is dying to hear from his fans. और जो भी मन में है, जो मैं हमेशा आप लोग से पूछता हूँ कि क्वेश्चन भेजिए, लेकिन मैं काफ़ी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस देखता नहीं, तो जो भी मन में है एक एक करके क्वेश्चन भेजिए हमें. He's right over here. In a second, he'll be joining us. He's here. Hi, Abhimanyu. How are you doing?
Hi, man. How are you?
I'm doing good. And welcome to Bollywood Live. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us in this live session, taking out the time and being with us. Your fans,
I hope
and your
everything's
fans
good.
are
Yeah, I
excited.
hope you've been safe and you've been at home.
Well, we are at home, and I hope everybody who has joined us right now, all your fans, all our readers, I hope they are all at home right now because this is the only place we need to be.
Yes.
So tell us, Abhimanyu, as a new actor, I mean, your career has just started. It has started with a film that will be remembered, I feel, for a very long time. But as a new actor with two projects in the pipeline, and suddenly you have to sit at home because circumstances are such they cannot be avoided. What do you do during that time? I'm sure there's a lot of anxiety and all within you.
Yeah, of course there is. I was really excited for Nikamma. It was just about to, start with the promotions. My friend Himani is online. I would just want to say hi to her. But it's part and parcel. It happened with Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota as well. I signed the film back in 2016. We started shooting only in 2017 and we were complete with it in 2018 and it only released in 2019, तो बहुत कुछ होता है यार फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जो बाकी लोग को पता नहीं होता है. लोग को लगता है साइन की, प्रमोशन किए, निकल गए, पिक्चर हिट या फ्लॉप हो गई. There's a lot that goes in between and from the first step there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of uncertainty that is there in everyone's life. तो ये जो है, I think actors are used to that or get used to uncertainty and anxiety that is there. But we've been hearing about this from December. आप लोग सब news देख रहे हैं and you're seeing throughout the world ऐसा हो रहा है. तो it had to come to India and it had to happen. So mentally you start preparing yourself कि ऐसा होगा तो option A, B, C है तो कैसे जाएगा. And you always keep yourself flexible to the movements that are happening in life or in the world. And so I was prepared for it. I was prepared mentally that ऐसा होगा तो. And the main thing is आपको accept करना पड़ता है. Like Bruce Lee said, be water, my friend. Be water. So जो circumstances hai, you try and evolve and grow towards that. If you're put into a cup, then you become the cup. So you be flexible. Exactly. So you accept it कि अभी और कुछ कर नहीं सकते हम ना, बाहर जाके कोरोना को भगा तो नहीं सकते. So you accept the situation and see what you can make the best out of what you have. अभी given scenario में क्या है, I love cooking, so I spend my time cooking. I like to work out, so I'm trying to help other people work out, Russell. मैं रोज workouts डाल रहा हूँ, so that people can do it and all that. So चल रहा है यार, गाड़ी चल रही है अपनी. धक्का स्टार्ट है थोड़ा पर.
तो आपने ये पहले सवाल में काफी सारी चीजें हमें बताया जिससे हमें अभी और 4-5 सवाल आ गए. सबसे पहले you are good in, we know that you are a good actor, we know that you are good in martial arts. अभी हमें पता चला कि you are good in cooking. तो ये कुकिंग का शौक कब से आ गया और क्या क्या बना रहे हैं आप ये लॉकडाउन के समय, क्या क्या बना रहे हैं आप, क्योंकि आपकी कुकिंग वीडियोस तो हमने देखा नहीं है.
यार एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया है, बाकी मैं रेसिपीज डालते रहता
Okay.
हूँ, बिकॉज ऑल दीज थिंग्स जो है मेरे लिए, वेदर इट्स कुकिंग और वेदर इट्स वर्किंग आउट, फॉर मी दे आर लाइक मेडिटेशन. मुझे खाने से सबसे ज्यादा पहले प्यार हुआ था, मतलब पहला प्यार मेरा खाना है, फर्स्ट लव. तो ये जो मेरी मेडिटेशन चीज है, मैं उसके वीडियो ज्यादा निकाल, आई डोंट लाइक इट, आई डोंट लाइक एक्सपोजिंग माई सेल्फ टू दैट. ऑल्सो बिकॉज one, I'm lucky enough and privileged enough to have that, the ingredients at home available for me to cook, one which a lot of people don't have. I don't want to.
Pranutan, your friend Pranutan says you're good at making jokes also.
Yeah, I make jokes on her only. Workout ke liye people don't have equipment and all. I have a
Yeah.
few resistance bands, so I don't want to put salt on those wounds of people who cannot go to the gym. So that's why I don't do that. But I try and put my recipes out, and I put अगर ये नहीं है तो you can use this for the same recipe. I put in, and for the workouts also, no equipment workouts. तो बस ये क्या क्या बनाता हूँ, मैं तो सब कुछ बनाता हूँ. एनीथिंग दैट आई कैन फाइंड ऑनलाइन दैट आई लाइक, मुझे जो पसंद है. और मुझे खाना मैंने मेरे दादी और मम्मी से सीखा. दोनों बहुत
Oh, so
स्वादिष्ट खाना
sweet.
बनाते हैं.
So sweet.
एंड हम पहले एक बहुत छोटे अपार्टमेंट में रहते थे, विले पार्ले में. तो बचपन में खाना बनाना, तड़का या इवन कांदा जाता था जब फ्राई होने को, तो स्मेल पूरे घर में आ जाती. तो मैं भाग के किचन में जाता था, मुझे खाने से इतना प्यार था. एंड आई वुड सी हाउ दे वुड मेक इट. तो वहां से मेरी ये लव स्टोरी शुरू हुई.
Anyway, I think so. This is a good time. We give a little shout out to some of the people that joined us. Pranutan has said that she is very happy to see you live over here. So, one is there. There's a one fan, Pranutan. We are very happy that you also joined us for the live session. There's a fan of yours. I don't know what's her real name, Tiki Mirchi, but she has asked who's your first crush.
My first crush. My first crush from the film industry. Then
In
it
general,
has to. I mean, I'll give it so they can relate to it. मैं मेरे बचपन से किसी का नाम लूंगा तो किसी को समझ में नहीं आएगा. But my first crush from the film industry was Raveena Tandon.
So from which film did she become your crush?
यार बचपन में था, I don't even remember. I saw her dancing on the songs and I was like,
Mora.
याद, could be Mora.
Yeah,
but
she
I
became
don't
many
remember the
people's crush
song.
from Mona. Okay. This is it's
मेरा
in
दोस्त
the
वैभव
last
भी कबाब मांग रहा है कि मैं कबाब बनाता हूँ, तो कबाब
लॉकडाउन के बाद आप कबाब दे दीजिए.
बिल्कुल
अभी तो नहीं
100%.
दे सकते. अभी तो नहीं
हाँ,
दे सकते.
मैं कबाब दूंगा तो मेरा शूट करना फोटोज.
हाँ. Okay. So there's a nice thing you said now around a minute ago, that you said you were living in a small place in Vileparle, and then your mom and your grandma वो लोग जो भी बनाते थे, so that's aroma used to spread all over. So the
हाँ.
thing is, but it's the small place. How come this happened? You were like Bhagyeshri's son, and you married a big entrepreneur, and also this.
कहानी बहुत लंबी है यार, कहानी बहुत लंबी है.
अभी तो ये परफेक्ट टाइम है थोड़ा सा उस कहानी का एक झलक मिलने के लिए.
It was we had a very a regular, I would say modest upbringing. We were 6 people living in a was it 2-bedroom apartment while I grew up. So yeah, it was a very fun environment. Yeah, plus we had हम लोग के जो सोसाइटी थी उसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे थे. वहां से मैं गुजराती सीखा बिकॉज एवरीवन इन द सोसाइटी वाज गुजराती. तो वहां से आई पिक्ड अप गुजराती आल्सो. एंड फन टाइम्स, yeah, those were fun times. Used to you learn a lot of values. One, living with your grandparents, their traditions can be passed down. That is great. Two, I've seen that growth come, from having nothing to having a lot to having nothing and then having something again. And most importantly, that is why I've always emphasized on the fact that whatever I want to create in my life, I want to be on my 2 feet. And that's the path that I've always chosen and taken. For me, it's about always the long term. 10 saal, 15 saal, 20 saal baad ab dekhna. These things will work out. The things that I say now will be relevant 5 years and 10 years down the line. Number one, and number two is whatever I say and do will be consistent. There will be no image that I kind of portray, or मैं जो कह रहा हूँ will last, and will be connected to who Abhimanyu is really, not who Abhimanyu is right now because his movie is releasing, or because he wants to be known, or because this is an interview. अगर आप मेरे साथ ऐसे ही बातें कर रहे होते बिना कैमरा, बिना all these fans, I would still give you the same answer. So,
that's very nice. So you had a proper middle class upbringing, you would say.
Oh, absolutely, and I loved it. There's just so much to learn from that, and the kind of people that you meet. There's more respect and more understanding that you have towards the world. Couple of my friends have come. I'll say hi to them.
I can also see many. I can see many.
Yeah, hi, Akanksha, Sakshi. What do I have to say about the extension of the lockdown? I think it was absolutely necessary. I saw it coming, and I was prepared mentally for it, though it was not a surprise for me. So I would say that please prepare yourselves for the lockdown to extend even more. तो अगर नहीं किया extend तो आप खुश हो जाओगे, अगर extend किया तो आप बोलोगे यार मुझे तो पता था, I'm ready for it. Always be prepared. Sorry, मैं ऐसे बोलते रहता हूँ.
No, this is a nice thing आपने ये topic निकाला, because कल ही हमने देखा what happened at Bandra station. I mean, it looks like the people were not prepared at all for the extension of this lockdown. Do you think so that is a question of preparation, or that is a question of just people from a certain socio-economic strata of a society trying to do the best that they think at that time?
It's a mixture of both. I've seen a lot of my friends also reacting and getting affected to the extension of the lockdown, and I'm like, you have the knowledge, you have the access to world news. आपने देखा है कि even China, it took 75, 76 odd days of lockdown. You know how the numbers are rising, whether it's New York or whether it's Italy. You know how the lockdown is happening everywhere else. And in India, we live in a very clustered society.
Yes.
In extremely clustered society like New York, like Hong Kong, like Korea, where the numbers are high. So अगर आप पास में जीते हो, the connection or the contact is high. If the contact is high, this disease is going to spread more. So it's obvious it's going to spread, and our sheer population is so dangerous for us at this moment that we need to stay inside. Please, guys, I understand that एक तो आपको you have to think about vegetables and all the basic requirements that you have, and I think the government and the police and all the municipality is doing a brilliant job. From my house, I'm the only one who goes to get the groceries.
It should be one on this.
One person should go, and I've seen and it's disappointing when I see educated families bringing three people to to shop. मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो यार?
ये हर एरिया में होगा.
अगर आपके बैग्स ज्यादा है ना, तो एक जन बाहर रुके ना. Everyone doesn't have to go into the store. एक जन करेगा. If they can't carry it, you go and when they're paying the bill and go. But please, guys, stay in. And when it comes to you're seeing the Bandra incident, see, a lot of migrant workers, it's important for them to go home. यहाँ पर अगर उनके पास रहने की जगह नहीं है, तो फिर वो कहाँ जाएंगे? And I feel the government is making the correct steps also, if I've heard correctly, and if information is right, they're making the access available for them to go home and to get safe to wherever they are. But
traveling at this time would be more dangerous, right?
Absolutely. But I think they're doing what I heard. I'm not really. I don't want to speak on this because I'm not sure of the information that I have regarding the trains that they might start one train each to go from these metros to their states. I don't know if that has been conceived or it is just a plan till now.
I think it is in the conception stage.
So I think that's what I heard. So if that happens, it's great. But till then, guys, please, please stay at home and listen to these guys. Yeah, they know they're doing it for us only. अपने लिए ही कर रहे हैं, And I see, like, because from मेरे room से आप सीधा road देख सकते हो. So I see the cops. The police are making patrols and they're speaking on the microphones and hats off to them. Yeah,
So, anyways, I'll just say hi. Alok, RJ Alok has joined us.
Alok, RJ Alok is here.
Yes, hi Alok, and he has clarified the doubt for both of us. उन्होंने साफ घोषित किया no plan yet.
अच्छा, plan ही नहीं है.
Yes, yes. So I trust his word.
मैंने बोला my information might not be correct. मैंने पहले ही कह दिया था. But वो सुनी सुनाई खबर.
अच्छा, आपकी फिल्मों के ऊपर बात करें. Your first film मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. It has turned into, I would say, it's safe to call it a cult following now, because
high five.
It is safe to call that now, because there's so many, especially after it came online and all, many people got introduced to it and they were shocked because उनको नहीं पता था कि आपका ये जो action phase, action अवतार है, ये इतना natural होगा, ये इतना convincing होगा. So were you always interested in martial arts from the onset, or for this film you started practicing?
One quick question. मला मराठी येते. And to answer your question, I've been a big action fan बचपन से. Bruce Lee और Jackie Chan की पिक्चरों पे तो मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ. But मैं बहुत बहुत मोटा था. मैं एक दिन किसी दिन fat to fit वाली story एक post करूँगा. I didn't think it was important. पर वो भी मैं post करूँगा. But I never had any martial arts training before I started auditioning for मर्द. जब मैंने auditioning शुरू की तब मैंने एक खुद का martial arts center खोला था. It was one of my businesses. I've been opening startups since the age of 15 or 16 years old, and I've been independent from my family since that time. So I opened a martial arts center few months before I got an audition for मर्द. तो मैंने बोला कि यार universe इधर से message भेज रहा है, इधर से message भेज रहा है, तो that वैसा कुछ फीलिंग था. एंड ऑल्सो आपको मेरा एक्शन इसलिए पसंद आया क्योंकि लाइक यू सेड अनसर्टेनिटी. मर्द गॉट डिलेड फॉर 9 months बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग, मे बी मोर देन 9 months. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग 1 month ऑफ प्रैक्टिस आई हैड 9 months ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. तो गॉड वर्क्स इन मिस्टीरियस वेज. तो यू कैन टेक इट एज अ ब्लेसिंग और यू कैन टेक इट एज अ कर्स. अगर मैं 9 महीने सर फोड़ता अपना तो आई वुड बी सैड, बट 9 महीने मैंने रगड़ा और मैंने मेरे मार्शल आर्ट्स पे ट्रेनिंग की. इसलिए आई कुड हैव रीच्ड द लेवल दैट यू लाइक मी एज अ मार्शल आर्टिस्ट. वेयर आई वुड स्टिल कंसिडर माई सेल्फ अ ट्रेनी. मार्शल आर्टिस्ट तो 10-15 साल लग जाते हैं बनने के लिए. ऑल्सो बिग शाउट आउट टू वन ऑफ द एरिक जेकबिस एंड डेनिस, जो यूट्यूबर्स एक्शन डायरेक्टर्स थे जो LA से आए थे. जय पटेल जो DOP थे, अरुण की टीम जो स्टंट टीम थी यहाँ पर, और वासन सर. दे अलाउड मी टू डू ऑल माई स्टंट्स, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, मर्द and my action sequences in Mard are the only action sequences where it's still camera one take shots.
Like you're talking about all Hindi films?
All Hindi films में cuts होती है.
Okay.
तो एक ही action shot के 10 कट होते हैं कि ये एंगल से ये एंगल से ये एंगल से ये एंगल. पर आपको मर्द में दिखेगा whenever I'm doing the action, the cuts will be the minimal. They let me do the whole thing.
John Wick का shot भी ऐसा ही था.
John Wick ऐसा था, and a lot of
Tarantino shots I think so भी ऐसे होते हैं.
Tarantino shots are so that is what is different. A lot of everyone can do it when you do cuts. पता नहीं किसी का whatever there are, but when you do it like this, it's a different kind of storytelling. So this was their genius, जिसमें मैं चमका उनके वजह से. तो उनके वजह से ये हुआ.
पिक्चर के बाद काफी लोगों ने ये भी कहा कि काश बिकॉज बोथ आर यंग एक्टर्स, टाइगर श्रॉफ और अभिमन्यु का एक क्रॉसओवर हो जाए, यानी कि एक पिक्चर में एक 2 hero प्रोजेक्ट, एक्शन पर 2 hero प्रोजेक्ट. सो वुड यू बी कॉन्फिडेंट पेयरिंग अप विद टाइगर श्रॉफ इन एन ऑल आउट मार्शल आर्ट्स फिल्म?
यार, आई एम एन एक्टर. I would, if the role is great, if my art is good, then why not? He's a superstar. So I think this question should be for him. You know.
That's a nice way of putting it. No, but still, we would really like to know, because when you it comes to action nowadays, he's
Huh,
considered as the benchmark. But you have
correct.
impressed everybody from the first film with your action.
House.
Besides the acting, एक action होता है, एक acting भी होता है. They say usually action is from neck below, acting is
Huh.
from neck above. So in that way,
नहीं यार,
would you be
I disagree. I think आप अगर आप हिस्ट्री में जाके देखो तो the best stuntman actors are acting from here. अमिताभ
okay?
बच्चन सर जो है, he was a great stuntman action actor. वो जो फ्लिप्स
Nice
करते
question.
थे, रोल करते थे, no one else would be able to do. Another one would be Shahrukh sir.
Hmm.
The way he does action and the way he sells it, you know, वो यहाँ से sell करते हैं. You know, it's about selling that action. It's not about looking beautiful when you're doing it, but looking real. तो वो आपके आंखों से आएगा, वो आपके इमोशन से आएगा, वो आपके फील से आएगा. तो you know, it's a mixture. As an actor,
That's a good perspective.
yeah. तो you know, आप देख लो Charlie Chaplin. He's a
Buster
stuntman
Keaton.
actor. Buster Keaton. All these people, you know. So this is something that I learned from Basan sir. He gave me the insight.
Okay.
Jackie Chan.
Yeah.
In any of Jackie Chan's fights, he is not the better fighter. In any of his films, he is always winning because of some luck.
Hmm.
It's always his reactions. जब उनको लगता है
Yeah. Quote
ये
वोट
ये
निकालते
जो
हैं.
करते ये
Yeah.
जो करते हैं उनको, ये चीज से आपको उनको you know, उनसे प्यार हो जाता है, उनके वो
Good point.
so yeah.
Okay, but Abhimanyu, what was your feeling after the film? It was a very good film, but unfortunately, it did not make the kind of impact at the box office many of us thought even after watching the press show. So, what was your feeling as a first-time actor? How disappointed were you?
यार disappointment was not because of numbers. Disappointment मेरा ये था कि लोगों को देखने को नहीं मिला. You know, जो मेहनत पूरी टीम ने की थी, वो मेहनत लोग को देखने नहीं मिली. वो recognition मिले या ना मिले, that is very secondary. But आप एक बार देख लीजिए. You know, that was always my concern. And thank you RSVP, big shout out to Ronnie Screwvala, Ankur, Pashan, who made it possible that यार थिएटर में नहीं देखी तो एटलीस्ट नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख चुके, you know. And we did that all around the world. We were the fastest Indian film to release in China on OTT platforms. Fastest Indian film. It was one of the biggest Indian films to release in Japan, which happened this winter. One of the biggest films to release in Korea also, in Indian film. तो you know, लोग ने Netflix पे आने के बाद में मुझे बहुत messages आए, and I'm just happy that people get to see it as much as possible. आज नहीं कल परसों, you know, अच्छा लगे ना लगे एक बार देख तो लीजिए. You know, that's my thing.
नहीं, लोग देख रहे. That's a, it could, as a cult film. It could be one of those films, you know, like Andaz Apna Apna, Jaani Bhi Do Yaro. They acquire a big cult following after the theatrical release.
Yeah, and that is what it is now. Like I said, truth lasts forever. Everything else will fade. You know, so जिस काम में आप मेहनत और सोल डालोगे, that will be appreciated whether it's now, today, tomorrow, 1 year later, 2 years later. आपको वो मिलेगा. You know, it'll last forever. And some things which is trends will only last for 3 months.
Yeah.
कि तीन महीने के लिए आप ये गाना रोज सुनते हो, पर फिर चौथे महीने बोले अबे चेंज करें, पक गया वो. You know, that's the difference. When you have soul in it, क्यों हम लोग वापस पुराने गाने सुनते हैं? They have soul in it.
Yes.
You know, whatever you do, whether you do a big thing or you do a small thing, you do it with your heart. If you put in your heart in it, ना तो आपको खुशी मिली ना तो आपको नींद अच्छी आएगी. और हम लोग क्यों इतना मेहनत करते हैं नींद के लिए?
Very well said. Very well said.
वो, you know, तो that's what I think.
अगले पिक्चर में आप ये डायलॉग भी यूज कीजिए. ये डायलॉग काफी अच्छा है. अच्छा, speaking about your mom, the legendary Bhagyashree, so she had a completely polar opposite start. I mean to say that movie, Maine Pyar Kiya, it's one of the biggest legendary films. Like you said, Soul. It is not just created such a huge. It was an all-time blockbuster. When it had
Yeah.
released, it had the highest collection when it had released to
Yeah.
any other Hindi film before that. After that, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun broke the record. And
Correct.
as the soul was there, it is now 30 years later also, it is remembered so well. So, what is the greatest piece of advice she has given you both about success and failure? How to deal with it?
Yeah, she's always focused on upbringing. Acting advice कम दिया मुझे, कहा है कि अच्छे लोगों के साथ अच्छे चीज ही होते हैं. तो be good and surround yourself with good people. And Russell, I can't emphasize more. हम लोग इतना अपने काम के पीछे दौड़ने लग जाते हैं ना, to get success, and success is defined in different manners in different people's life, कि आप भूल जाते हो कि you're spending more than 50% of your day working. And if you're not happy in the process of working, तो मतलब 50% of your day you're now not happy. You're not surrounded by people who make you happy, who make you feel nice. So try and be happy while working. तो उसके बाद जो आएगा वो आएगा, it'll come automatically. Why do we enjoy watching baby videos the most? They don't think the camera is on. They are not performing for you. They are doing it for
For
themselves.
themselves.
तो आप जो करो, जो काम कर रहे हो आप आपके लिए करो. तो she's always focused on be a good person and be around good people. If you are happy na, everything will work out. Success आएगा आपके पास में, that. And the other thing is, like I said, hard work. There's always there's an element of fate, destiny, luck. आप कुछ भी उसको नाम दे दो, but you hard work को आप पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकते. If you're working hard, then today, tomorrow, day after, it will come to you. See, I'm 30 now. It didn't come to me when I was 21, 22, 25, 26, 27. My film released only when I was 29. If I lost hope in between, in all those years where I was trying और मेरा कुछ नहीं हो रहा था और मेरे, people were not replying to my messages और मैं छोड़ देता, तो नहीं होता. But it is just, मुन्ना भाई लगे रहो.
Beautifully said. अच्छा, निकम्मा और आँख में चोरी, right? That's your other film.
Yes.
Yes. If we talk about both these films, which is the one that is, say, after the lockdown, which is the one that is going to be taken up
We're
first?
supposed to release Nikamma first, which is directed by Sabir Khan Saab. He's again, I've worked with him because he's a wonderful human being, other than obviously making these successful commercial films that he has. But very happy person, very positive person. Shilpa Shetty ma'am is making her comeback after 13 years, and it was, yeah, she's a legend, yeah. Both on and off camera, she's a beautiful person. Shirley Sethia, who's an internet sensation, is making her debut in theaters with that film. तो वो यार एकदम मर्द को डर नहीं होता से अलग है. सूर्या से एकदम अलग.
कुछ फिल्म के बारे में अगर आप कुछ,
It's a coming of age film. I'm playing a निकम्मा, जैसा नाम है वैसे ही. बिल्कुल निकम्मा, एकदम निकम्मा.
और किस किस के साथ आप ये निकम्मापना करते हो? सबके साथ आप
सबके साथ, दोस्तों, फैमिली, वर्क, हर चीज में, and everyone will be able to relate to that somewhere, and at some point कि मैंने ऐसे फैमिली के साथ किया था या मैंने दोस्तों के साथ मिलके करता हूँ, पर वो एक कमिंग ऑफ एज जो वो समझता है, आदि जब समझता है कि यार इट इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी कि मेरे एक्शन से किसी को दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए, और तो उसमें एक्शन भी है, कॉमेडी जबरदस्त है, जो गाने सिलेक्ट किए हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. अमल मलिक का एक गाना है फिल्म में जो नेक्स्ट ईयर हर शादी में बचेगा, ये मैं गारंटी देता हूँ, हर शादी में बचेगा.
मुझे लग रहा है अगर मैं गाने के बारे में कुछ पूछूं तो आप नहीं बताओगे.
मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा, मेरे इधर तक अटका.
थोड़ा सा और ऊपर लाइए.
But it's got amazing set of new singers and rock stars of the music industry who have put in their talent into Nikamma music. And यार जो टाइटल ट्रैक है वो इतना जबरदस्त है कि मैं वर्कआउट करने में इतने जोश में आ गया that I injured myself in it.
Wow.
हाँ. And then
finally
I
some good
also
music.
yeah, I also have Aankh Mein Choli, which
Yeah.
is which for me, like I've said before earlier, कि more than a film, it's a acting workshop. आप उसका स्टाका सुनिए यार. परेश रावल सर, शर्मन जोशी, दिव्या दत्ता मैन, विजय राज जी, दर्शन जरीवाला, ग्रूशा मैम, मृणाल ठाकुर, यार सब तैयार एक्टर है यार. मैं तो बस सीखने जाना था सेट पे. हाँ, उमेश सर 102 नॉट आउट.
Yes.
और
Oh my
OMG
God.
यार सुपर. मैं तो खाली सीखने जाता था सेट पे. मैं जब बोलता था सर मेरा छोड़ो ना, मेरा सीन काट दो आप, मैं खाली देखने आया हूँ सबको.
तो वो एक
But yeah.
ensemble फिल्म है, उसमें जैसे निकम्मा में
वो-
आप टाइटल रोल कर रहे हो वैसा नहीं.
हाँ वैसा नहीं है. एंसेम्बल फिल्म है बिल्कुल. और स्टार्ट टू एंड फुल कॉमेडी है, फुल ऑन.
अच्छा.
मतलब वो भी एकदम अलग हो गया. तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू एज एन एक्टर एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड ऑल्सो चैलेंज माई सेल्फ कि मैं फिल्म फेस्टिवल फिल्म भी करूंगा, एक्शन फिल्म भी करूंगा, रोमांटिक फिल्म भी करूंगा, कॉमेडी फिल्म भी करूंगा, सो दैट आपको अभिमन्यु ऐसा नहीं लगे कि यार अभिमन्यु कॉमेडी फिल्म अच्छी करता है, ये भी करता है, वो भी करता है, तो ब्रेक बैरियर्स ऑफ दैट.
This has been wonderful, अभिमन्यु. मतलब कि इतना हमें आपके बारे में इस चैट सेशन में पता चला, जितना इतना टाइम जब से आपकी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई है अब तक इतना पता नहीं चला. ये एक चैट सेशन में हमें पता चला. जाते जाते say if you have to say one great memory, like something you may want to relive from what Bhagyashree ma'am did in her movies, something you would probably want to relive that memory in one of your coming films, what could it be?
यार मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट बताता हूँ जो मैंने प्यार किया पिक्चर है. अच्छा मैं थोड़ा मेरे बारे में बताता हूँ कि आई हैव बीन गिविंग ऑडिशंस फॉर मेनी इयर्स एंड I got a lot of offers before Murd also, and I got rejected also hundreds of times. I'm in this industry since 2009. मैं assistant director 2009 से.
रोहन शेट्टी साहब के साथ ना.
Yes. तो जो मैंने प्यार किया है वो मॉम की पहली पिक्चर थी, करेक्ट. वो पिक्चर के लिए सूरज जी ने 1 महीने के लिए मॉम को कन्विंस किया कि आपको ये पिक्चर करनी चाहिए, ये पिक्चर कीजिए. तो आई एम होपिंग कि मेरे लाइफ में भी कभी ऐसे एक मोमेंट है कि लोग मुझे कन्विंस कर रहे हैं, ब्रो मतलब अभिमन्यु प्लीज डू दिस फिल्म यार, ये तू जानता नहीं है यार.
आप 1 महीना लगाओगे.
मैं आई एम होपिंग कि मुझे भी कोई ऐसे कन्विंस करे और वो भी सिक्सर हो जाए स्टेडियम के बाहर एकदम.
हो जाएगा. क्या पता सूरज जी के साथ ही हो जाए. हो जाएगा.
टच वुड, क्लोज्ड आईज, वो सब कुछ. बट गाइस घर पे रहिए प्लीज. ऐसे लाइव इंटरव्यूज देखते रहिए. आर्टिस्ट आपके लिए है, वी आर डूइंग ऑल वी कैन टू कीप यू गाइस एंटरटेन्ड. एंड Russell is here and a lot of other interviewers are here, hoping that you guys are entertained at home, that you don't get bored. So please stay safe. Oh, my friend from Italy is here, Filippo in the house. He's a young kid who also wants to be an actor in
Hi Filippo.
So Filippo, I hope you are safe. Yaar, Italy mein the numbers are rising, so please stay at home, keep the family safe. A lot of people I know, Supriya auntie is here. Hi auntie. But okay guys, घर पे रहिए please, पानी तो पीते रहना चाहिए. And do follow all these things that we're doing online, and stay safe guys, have fun. Thank you so much Russell for having me here.
It has been a complete pleasure, and you too stay safe, and hoping once this is over we get to do this in person the next time. Stay
Absolutely,
safe.
100%. See you man.
Okay. See you. Bye bye.